I am utilizing the Bit Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bit Integration Dashboard. Create integrations. Now select Amelia as a trigger. Copy the webhook URL and fetch. Go to Amelia Dashboard. And go to the setting. View Integrations setting. Webhook. Add new webhook. Give here a meaningful name. And paste the webhook URL. Choose here your desired type. I am choosing the appointment type. Also, choose here your desired action. I am choosing booking status changed. Save. Save. To fetch data, go to Appointment and change the status of the appointment from approved to pending. Go to the Integrations Dashboard. Data fetched successfully. Set action. Search and select PODS. Choose pod type. Choose post status. Comment status. Choose an author. Map the respective fields. Here are the advanced features in the conditional logic. You can use it for your requirement. Save. Now go to Amelia Appointment Dashboard and change the status from pending to approved. Then go to the PODS Custom Post Dashboard. And here you can see that a new post was created successfully under PODS Custom Post. Thanks for watching.